Have you ever wondered if your car's rearview mirror could do way more than just show what's behind you? Imagine replacing that ordinary mirror with a high-tech smart dash cam that records front, rear, and even side views in stunning detail, helps you park safely, and keeps you protected 24/7. Today, we're diving into the best rearview mirror dash cams on the market, comparing 6 top models to see which ones truly give you value, features, and peace of mind on the road. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or safety-conscious family, you'll discover which dash cam is worth your money and which ones you might skip. All the links are in the description, so stick around and find your perfect mirror dash cam. And hey, I want to know, if you could upgrade your mirror today, which feature would matter most to you? Let me know in the comments. Number 6. Ever wondered if your rear view mirror could do way more than just reflect what's behind you? The 10 inches Mirror Dash Cam Night Vision 1080p FHD by Jansite transforms your standard mirror into a full-fledged dual camera system with a massive 10-inch full touch screen, making it perfect for daily commuting, long trips, and parking scenarios where safety matters most. Featuring front and rear 1080p recording, super night vision, and loop recording with a G sensor, it automatically locks footage during collisions and overwrites old files, giving peace of mind whether navigating city streets or crowded parking lots. The 170-degree wide-angle front lens reduces blind spots, and the 10-meter rear camera cable adds flexibility for larger vehicles, while parking assistance lines make reversing stress-free. In real life, owners love the crisp daytime footage and functional night vision, though glare under bright sunlight can be distracting and cable routing can be tricky. Compared with pricier mirror dash cams like the WOLFBOX 12-inch model, which offers 1296p video, GPS, and extra features, the Jansite strikes a solid balance between core functionality and affordability, delivering reliable recording and parking support without breaking the bank. While it lacks GPS or ultra-high-resolution sensors, it's perfect for commuters, families, or delivery drivers who want a practical, value-driven solution. What do you think about investing in a mirror that doubles as a dash cam? All the links are in the description. Pros: dual 1080p front/rear video with night vision, large 10-inch touchscreen, useful parking assist, and wide-angle view. Cons: glare on mirror screen, mostly plastic build. Rear cable installation can be challenging. Number 5. If seeing clearly at night and staying alert on the road is a priority, the Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dash Cam might just blow you away with its Starvis 2-sensor and 4K front recording paired with 1080p rear footage. Replacing the rear view mirror with a 12-inch smart touchscreen, it combines ADA S-lane departure alerts, blind spot detection, voice control, and Wi-Fi streaming into one sleek unit that's perfect for daily commutes, long drives, and parking situations. The included 64GB card lets users start recording immediately, and the Starvis 2 sensor delivers vivid color night vision in low-light scenarios, outperforming standard dash cams in the same price range. Compared with the Jansite 10-inch model, the S12 Pro offers more advanced features, sharper night vision, and smarter driver assistance, though it doesn't include GPS by default, and larger vehicles may require rear cable extensions. Users report the hands-free voice commands and ADAS features are intuitive, making the drive safer without constantly touching the screen. It's ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants a high-tech, ready-to-use mirror dash cam. Would you trade your standard mirror for this level of smart assistance? All the links are in the description. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear, Starvis 2 for night vision, ADAS/BSD/voice control, Wi-Fi streaming with 64GB card. Cons: optional hardwire kit needed for 24/7 parking. Rear cable may need extension. Brand support varies. Number 4. Looking for a mirror dash cam that truly upgrades your driving experience? The WOLFBOX G840 S12-inch 4K mirror dash cam combines a large interactive display, 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, GPS, night vision, Wi-Fi, and parking assistance to deliver an all-in-one safety solution for cars and trucks. With its 12-inch touchscreen, drivers get a broad split-screen view, reducing blind spots, while wide-angle lenses capture critical details like license plates and road signs. Real-world use shows crisp daytime footage, solid night vision thanks to WDR/HDR processing, and easy Wi-Fi connectivity for downloading clips to a smartphone. Compared to the Pelsee S12 Pro, the G840S adds GPS logging for route data, but lacks voice control and some smart ADAS features. The parking monitor requires a separate hardwire kit, and installation in tight spaces can be tricky. But the combination of 4K recording, large display, GPS, and app connectivity makes it one of the best value for money options for commuters, truckers, and safety-conscious drivers. Would you like your dash cam to double as a high-tech mirror with GPS logging? All the links are in the description. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear, 12-inch touchscreen, GPS plus Wi-Fi connectivity. Cons: parking monitor needs hardwire kit, Wi-Fi quirks, large size may challenge installation. Number 3. Imagine turning your rearview mirror into a full 4K front plus 1080p rear dash cam with voice control, night vision, and 24-hour parking protection. That's exactly what the Veement 4K Rearview Mirror camera does. Its 10-inch HD touchscreen replaces a traditional mirror with a responsive display, wide-angle lenses, and intuitive touch and voice controls for hands-free operation. The f1.8 aperture and night vision tech ensure daytime clarity and usable night footage, while the G-sensor locks critical moments during collisions. Compared to the Jansite 10 inches, it offers higher front resolution and voice integration, though it lacks GPS and wireless video transfer found in premium models. Users find installation straightforward, but cable management requires patience. Perfect for daily drivers or rideshare vehicles, it balances mid-range pricing with advanced features. Would you rely on a mirror to manage all your front and rear recording needs? All the links are in the description. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear, voice control, 24-hour parking mode. Cons: rear night footage less detailed, SD card access only, cable management tricky. Number 2. For drivers wanting cutting-edge connectivity and GPS tracking, the AZDOME PG1712-inch 4K mirror dash cam delivers with Wi-Fi 6, voice control, 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, and a built-in GPS module, making it ideal for documenting routes, speed, and location. Its large touchscreen offers live, rear-view display, night vision with WDR, and parking assistance, while the included 64GB card allows immediate use. Compared with the Veement 4K, the PG17 adds GPS and Wi-Fi 6 for faster video transfer and route logging, making it a smarter choice for commuters or anyone concerned about driving data. Installation is generally smooth, though larger vehicles may require careful cable routing. It's a modern, feature-rich mirror dash cam that brings convenience and security without stepping into ultra-premium pricing. Would you like your mirror to track your speed, location, and video effortlessly? All the links are in the description. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear, Wi-Fi 6 plus GPS, voice control, WDR night vision. Cons: 24-hour parking requires hardwire kit, rear camera less sharp, cable routing time-consuming. Number 1. Ever dreamt of a mirror dash cam that literally watches your entire car from all angles? The 360-degree view 4-channel mirror dash cam from VROAVIE offers 4 1080p cameras, front, rear, left, and right, integrated into a 12-inch touchscreen mirror for full 360-degree surveillance. Complete with Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, G-sensor collision detection, parking monitor, and a free 128GB card, it provides continuous loop recording and out-of-the-box protection. Compared with dual-camera systems like the AZDOME PG-17 or WOLFBOX G840S, this model delivers unparalleled coverage, ideal for urban drivers, families, or rideshare users who need maximum evidence collection. Real-world users report excellent daytime clarity, though side/rear night footage can vary and setup may be less intuitive. If reducing blind spots and recording every angle matters to you, this system is a strong contender for full vehicle security. Would you trust your mirror to cover all angles around your car? All the links are in the description. Pros: 360-degree coverage with 4 1080p cameras, free 128GB card, Wi-Fi plus parking monitor. Cons: night quality varies, interface/setup confusing, installation can be tricky,